My YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, Oligeo2 here. What's up? Peace. Yeah, I worked on the tire for the 190 XT Series 3. Took this one off. It was all cracked. And mounted this one. New tube, new tire. That's a 1000 by 16. It's the biggest tractor front tire I've done on my tire machine. I've done a 750 by 16 on my 170. But never a 1000 by 16. So I was a little concerned. Well, not really concerned, but I was wondering if I'd be able to do it on my machine. And I was. It was a little more difficult than the 750 by 16, but I got it. That tire had been on there a long time. Probably 25, 30 years. It's been on there as long as I can remember anyways. Alright, well, now we're bowing down to my Uncle Daniel's to put it on. Well, that's it. We'll get to it later. Peace. Have a good one. We'll look out later.